Ain't no one breaking our vibe when we stay strong. Layer 2's taking over, it won't be long. Formerly commodity, big money is in sight. They spot ETFs cooking, we're ready to ignite. Ups and downs, we grind through it. Futures ours, yeah, we pursue it. We're breaking all the bounds that they create. And bass will hit so hard we'll elevate. Nothing's stopping the future we crafting. Spot ETFs and nonstop stacking. Stronger together we represent. Now buckle up, strap in and get ready to ascend. BlackRock's building even the plan. TradFi's joining with down in hands. Stablecoins, L2's coming alive. On this blockchain we're gonna thrive. Challenges come, we set them aflame. Innovation's our game, that's why we reign. Journey's long but we're never alone. We're stronger together and stronger we grow. Nothing's stopping the future we crafting. Spot ETFs and non-stop stacking. Stronger together we represent. Now buckle up, strap in and get ready to ascend. Pulses racing, energy's flowing. Showtime's here, lights on and glowing. The herd is coming, it's clearly showing. Our vision is clear, it's only growing. Nothing's stopping the future we crafting. Spot ETFs and non-stop stacking. Stronger together we represent. Now buckle up, strap in and get ready to ascend. Ain't no one breaking our vibe. Came to win this fight, we stand together, we will thrive. We spread our wings and we'll take flight. My pulse is racing, energy's flowing. Showtime's here, lights on and glowing. The herd is coming, it's clearly showing. Our vision clear, we're getting ready to ascend. Ain't no one breaking our vibe. They came to win this fight. We stand together, we will thrive. We'll spread our wings and we'll take flight. My pulse is racing, energy's flowing. Showtime's here, lights on and glowing. The herd is coming, it's clearly showing.